Your reaction na ng bawat natin. How would you react to yung mga situation sa Philippines na sometimes yung mga diehard fans gusto nila yung dating talagang sila yung magkatuluyan till the end? Anong masasabi sa ganung situation? And what is your message sa mga diehard fans na gano'n?
Okay lang. Kasi yun naman yung gusto nila, di ba? Andyan sila para sumuporta, na-inspire sila nung kung ano yung ginagawa na content ng mga like ng Viva and mga love teams. And I guess nakadepende na lang talaga yun dun sa talagang sinusuportahan nila, ina-idolize sila, and kung ano man yung nakikita nila. Alam niyo, parang tayo pag nanonood tayo sa sine, hindi naman natin alam kung ano yung magiging ending, pero lahat tayo gusto natin happy ending.
Yeah, I mean, of course at first it starts tatapat ko pa yun. Wala. Then, sabi ko, of course at first it always starts as friends, right? But then over work and you keep working together every day, and there's the fans that do all of those edits, and hindi mo namamalayan, nahuhulog ka na pala. And you know, and you're like, you can't help it, and you just dive into it. And then boom, you know. And then how do you explain falling in love? Boom. And then you know, it's of course, like you said, you always just wish for a happy ending. Hopefully.
Ayun, for the long time, ganun na po talaga yung kinalakihan ng Philippine showbiz industry. So, the fans really wanted the love team to be together, and I really respected that for them because sila po yung nagbibigay sa akin ng lakas para gumawa ng ma-inspire at magpasaya po sila. And I really think if it's meant to be, it's meant to be po talaga.
For my last question, pwede pa-confirm as of today, anong relationship you like? Purely professional, friends, or more than friends?
More than friends.
Every,
Sige nga. Kami more than friends. Basta more
I
than
think we're more than best friends, no? Are we? What are we, Evan?
Ako si Marco, safety blanket ko. So, hindi ko alam kung ano yun, pero he's my safety blanket in this world of like show business. So, yeah.
Got you. All the way. Okay.
For me and Haya, we're really good friends as of now. Like, we wanted to, especially the Chasing in the Wild is gonna be my biggest project. It's gonna be her biggest project as well. And we wanted to focus and give the fans like our best work. So as of now, we wanted to focus on our work.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sir Robert Regentina. May we have Ambet Nabos of Marites University next.
Hello, good afternoon.